latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
After NCP chief Sharad Pawar rebuked his grandnephew Parth publicly, BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis termed it a family matter.
NCP chief Sharad Pawar rebuking his grandnephew Parth publicly was a family matter, and the BJP was not remotely associated with the issue.
The former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis stated that Parth Pawar's issue should be resolved within the family.
Parth Pawar issue is a family matter of the Pawars. We don't want to get into that issue. It's a matter within their family and they should try to resolve it within the family.
The former Chief Minister's remark came after NCP chief Sharad Pawar censured his grandnephew Parth Pawar for seeking a CBI probe into actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Even Parth's cousin Rohit Pawar termed the episode as a family matter. Parth Pawar, who is the eldest son of Ajit Pawar, is at the center of latest series of developments indicating feud between Ajit Pawar and NCP chief Sharad Pawar. Parth Pawar submitted a memorandum to State Home Minister Anil Deshmukh demanding the CBI probe into the suicide of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Several reports stated he had no confidence in the police force working under a minister of his own party. The NCP chief called his grandnephew immature after the incident.
We would not even spare a penny for what he is saying. He attached absolutely no importance to Parth's demand for a CBI probe into the Rajput case.
Besides Pawar family issue, the BJP leader also expressed his concern about the deteriorating COVID-19 situation in Maharashtra.
Unfortunately, Maharashtra has become a COVID-19 capital. The COVID-19 situation in Maharashtra is grim.
The BJP leader also pointed out that the state has reported the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country.
Maharashtra has reported the highest number of coronavirus cases in the country and accounts for 40 to 41% of the total death.
Devendra Fadnavis also advised the state government to lay emphasis on RT-PCR tests for detection of positive cases in the state. However, the BJP leader had constantly criticized the three-party coalition government of mismanaging the COVID situation in Maharashtra. Interestingly, he stated that he was interested in finding the solutions to contain the spread of the disease rather than making allegations.
We are not making any allegations. We are more interested in arresting the spread of coronavirus than doing politics. I have been demanding that the number of tests should be increased in the state.
On the other hand, former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is likely to be appointed as co-in-charge for the Bihar Assembly elections. BJP and Maha Vikas Aghadi are constantly at loggerheads over various issues in the state. The Saffron Party is often seen taking pot shots at the NCP, Shiv Sena and Congress alliance.